Welcome back to 3 Minute Hikes. Today we'll be visiting the Summerland Trail and Panhandle Gap in Mount Rainier National Park. For today's hike, we'll be climbing 2,950 feet, traveling 12 miles round trip, and topping out at 6,800 feet. We crossed the rushing waters of Frying Pan Creek. There's still plenty of climbing left before the meadows. Four and a half miles into the hike, we reach Summerland. Many hikers stop here to rest or picnic in the scenic meadows. The landscape changes abruptly as we turn a corner and enter a rocky moraine. We call it a day near the top of the gap, with Mount Rainier to our west and Panhandle Gap right behind us. That's all for now. See you next time.